Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta. I am a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. Welcome to Punch Portal. This is Sandhya Shri bringing you the reading for health from 12th to 18th August 2024. As it is since COVID, many of us have become more conscious of good health practices. We have accumulated more than enough knowledge related to healthy practices, habits, tips, and tricks. But how much are we practicing them in our day-to-day life? Moksha suggests us that we need to apply all that knowledge that we have acquired, have clear-cut health goals, plan, set up the actionable steps. It could be your meal plan, workout schedule, your daily sleep routine, and then implement it. You need to start celebrating your achievements, however small they are. Be in gratitude for everything that you already have, for everything that you have achieved in this journey. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the process. Just wanting to change and planning is not enough. Implementation is the key here. Take the right action in the right direction for the best results. Thank you. See you all next week with more such updates.
Namaste. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to our Punch Portal series. My name is Karishma, and I'm going to speak on the aspect of relationships. Relationships are the core essence of our living. We express in our relationships. You will be guided to speak your truth. You have the capability to plan and express yourself. You will listen to people and guide them in their life. You are going to be very expressive this week. Just a word of caution, do not be aggressive and humiliate people, because the tables can turn and you will get humiliated in return. This week, you're going to feel deeper connections in your relationships. People will trust you with their secrets. Even in your professional relationship, you will create a positive impact. Remember, the art of expressing is knowing when to speak and when to be silent. As you master this art, you will make positive changes in your personal and your interpersonal relationships. The key word is balance. This will keep you in a constructive communication. You are going to be very clear and effective and powerful in your communications. This will help you, give you healthy relationships. Namaste.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. Before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshapat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Hello, Namaste everyone. I am Lakshita. My spiritual reading for the week of August 12th to 18th. Mokshapattam board suggests a profound focus on introspection, healing and personal growth. It's a reminder to approach with mindfulness and willingness to address any unresolved emotions. Embracing this opportunity can indeed lead to forgiveness and inner peace. It's a beautiful chance to release burdens and embrace self-compassion. Integrating these practices into your spiritual journey can heal your wounds, deepen your connection with yourself and with others, release burdens and cultivate self-compassion. Explore powerful tools like Ho'oponopono, EFT, Yajurveda principles like chanting mantras and meditation to promote forgiveness and spiritual growth. foster your inner peace and personal growth. May the energy of atonement guide you on this transformative path and your spiritual journey be filled with love, light, and liberation. Thank you. Stay tuned and stay connected.
Hey beautiful souls, I am Vikram Khurana from New Delhi. I am bringing you the guidance from Mokshapatta board reading regarding how this week 12 to 18th August 2024 will be from the business point of view. I have divided the Mokshapatta guidance in two parts. One is for service industry, other guidance is for product industry. So let's begin with the service industry. For those in the service industry, the overall influence this week is the plane of fantasy. This indicates a period where creativity and imagination will play a significant role in your business activities. So embrace innovative ideas and think outside the box to find the unique solutions and opportunities. However, be aware of the block, which is jealousy. Jealousy can create unnecessary competition and hinder collaboration. It's important to focus on your own strengths and avoid comparing yourself to others. The guidance for the service industry this week is the sensual plane. This suggests that engaging the senses and creating an appealing experience for your clients can lead to success. Pay attention to aesthetics and overall experience you can provide to your consumers. Now let's shift our focus to the product industry. Similar to the service industry, the product industry is also influenced by the plane of fantasy this week. Creativity and innovative thinking will be crucial. Use your imagination to develop new products or improve existing ones. The major block for the product industry is the lane of action. This means there can be certain delays or difficulties in executing plans. So stay patient and persistent and focus on careful planning and execution. The guidance for the product industry is charity, which will lead to the energy of plane of balance. So engaging in charitable activities and giving back to the community can bring balance and positive energy to your business. It fosters goodwill and can enhance your reputation. So this week, whether you are in the service industry or product industry, remember to harness the power of creativity. Be aware of potential blocks and follow the guidance provided. By doing so, you can navigate this week successfully and achieve your business goals. So join us next week for more cool ways to light up your lives. Thank you and namaskar.
Namaste to all beautiful souls and welcome to another episode of Punch Portal. Hi, I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshapatta reader and trainer, bringing for you the cosmic insights for the week of 12th August to 18th August 2024. The Mokshapatta reading for this week in regard to finance comes with the transformative guidance of being aware of what it brings for us. When used in a dynamic way with zeal and passion for constructive action, it will bring positive results. At the same time, if you don't let go of any insecurities, attachments, and past beliefs related to money, it might lead us to take impractical and impulsive actions leading to financial instability. It is advised to refrain from taking any financial risk without considering all the risk factors involved. The guidance from the board is to maintain a balance and awareness between enthusiastically going overboard with spending so that you do not overstretch your budget, as well as restraining yourself from not spending at all, leading towards a scarcity mindset. It is advised to make informed decisions in regard to finance, but also realize that you have to be in gratitude for all the prosperity in your life. Overthinking and negative thinking, unethical actions, greed, and self-destructive patterns related to money will lead you towards a negative pattern with big losses and impulsive over-budgeting. Wishing you all a week full of abundance and prosperity. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.